Hi guys, it's Sharon. I am here with my sister Angie, and we are at a beach near Naples. So we're just having fun today, and we're gonna have some fun sister time for a couple hours before her daughter graduates. So we're super excited. I'm gonna show you the view. So let's see. It's just gorgeous. So this is the Gulf. So not many waves, but it's Little Hickory Beach. So it's gorgeous here. The water is actually really clear. Let's go see the water. Oh, there's coquinas, isn't there? I love coquinas. Look at this water. Oh, there's minnows. You guys see the minnows? It is beautiful. And not much of a tide here, so. Wow, the minnows. I bet they're at my feet. I don't know, but look at this gorgeous sky. It's beautiful. There's supposed to be a tropical storm tomorrow here, so usually the days right before are either really crappy or really nice. So today we have a beautiful day right before the tropical storm, and I'm gonna flip it. And we're gonna have fun. Bye! And she's getting it.
Okay.
Okay, let's see what's on the inside.
Okay,
oh, this is the same one.
Oh, well, come out again.
Yeah, okay, so this is the same one we had before.
So his eyes come out first.
So his eyes come out. Oh, look, they're like way deep in there. But then when he gets sick of like being touched at all, his whole little body will start coming out of here.
And
so he just, he's like trying to flip himself over. Tell me when it happens because I can't really see.
Okay, I'll tell you. He's actually enjoying this.
So I'm going to put him back in the water. And then he'll start to watch like a big fish is going to like come up and get us. Here comes his eyes popping out. I know. I think he's just sick of us. He's like, come on, guys. Oh, there he goes, kind of, a little bit.
The sun, when it's in the sun, it like comes out. Oh, no.
Here comes the eyes.
There he comes. It is a snail. Ugh. I think you scared him.
Oh my gosh, this is what they do when they're trying to flip themselves over. I hope I'm getting this on the... Yeah, I am. But when he touches me, I'm going to be like, oh my gosh. Okay, so we're going to put him down. Oh, he's getting like way out of there. Okay, here he goes. So let's go back inside. There you go, Mr. Snail. We'll make sure that he's flipped over. Whew. Get over. Yeah, so we're having fun here at the beach.